Hello there, it's me again, Andrea, and if you've watched my very last Zodiac Chibis episode, then you know what this video is all about. I basically want to show you how the Zodiac Princess charm turned out. Here you can see all of the little charms sitting in their own plastic bags for protection. Let's have a look. So what do you think? I am personally so happy with the color and how vibrant and glowing she looks. But that is not all, I've also made something else too. Do you want to see? Here it is, I made a sticker set to go with the charm. It features beautiful galaxy colors to match with the charm, and a lovely selection of both inspirational quotes and practical stickers for your planner, diary or calendar or any other journal. This is the largest sticker set that I've done so far, and it took the longest to make too, since I've designed it completely on my iPad Pro. And I was still kind of learning what the best app for these kinds of projects is. Plus, I really wanted to use my own purchased fonts with it as well. I am so happy that I finally invested the time to try and experiment with different apps. Now I finally found a group of them that work really well together for the type of work that I like to do. So I can't wait to tackle even more projects like this in the future. As always, these stickers are all done in my studio. They have been printed on high quality glossy vinyl paper and have been cut all here on my Silhouette machine. One of the main inspirations for this charm and the sticker set was getting my brand new holographic planner from kikki.K. Look at it, isn't it adorable? Those pastel rainbow shades make me so happy. Yeah, they look amazing together. I am really pleased. And now for the fun part. I want to use these stickers on my desk calendar to see if they work as well as I've imagined. I mean, after all, I did design these stickers so that I could personally use them every day, and in this specific size and template that I simply couldn't find anywhere else. And I must tell you, it feels so rewarding when you create something so specifically tailored to you and that you've always wanted and needed. The set includes some payday stickers as reminders and email stickers to allocate time for that. If you get as many emails as I do, then I'm sure these email stickers make sense. But it's not just about work. Mental health is super important, so I like to schedule regular me-time sessions to relax. I like to keep myself inspired with positive quotes, and I like to highlight exciting events with some yes stickers. So this is it, guys. I will leave the link to my Etsy store if you wish to grab this bundle for yourself. And also, if you're a patron, don't forget to use your special coupon code to enjoy your discount. Oh, and by the way, even though the stickers are twice the size of my previous ones, I am keeping the price the same as my last bundles. This is my way to say thank you for all of your support. I really hope you will enjoy them. Alright then, it is time for me to go. Thank you so much for watching, take care, and I will talk to you again very soon. Bye!